Hey, what's going on, y'all? Check it out. We doing a pork roast today. Oh yeah, a nice pork roast. Now this got a nice fat cap on it. That good fat cap baked down is gonna provide a lot of extra flavor, y'all. Fat is flavor. But anyway, we gonna clean this up just a little bit. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. Y'all already know what that is. That like, share, and subscribe, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, let's get it. So of course, you know we got a rain on. Go ahead, hit it with a little salt. Garlic powder. Onion powder. And a little bit of that cayenne. That cayenne, y'all. Now we gonna let that seasoning sit and soak into our meat while our oven preheat. So we gonna go and set it to 350. And like I said once before, I do like this packaging, y'all. Just seems like it keep it safe. Now when you insert your probe, make sure you go into the center of the meat, trying to keep it as level as possible. So once we get our probe in, we're gonna go ahead and transfer this into our cast iron pan. Now you can use a roasted pan also, and we're gonna get that right on into this oven. And as soon as we hit our target temperature of 150, as you can see, we're singing, y'all. We're singing. It's time to get it out. And all yet, it's looking good and tasty too, y'all. It's looking good and tasty. So we just gonna take this little bone right here, just pull him right on out. Cause we cooked right, y'all. We cooked right. So you can do that. Now, of course, we did let our meat rest first. So always let your meat rest before you cut it into it. Or you can pull that bone out because you don't want to lose them juices, y'all. And look at what we got, y'all. Look at what we got. Oh my goodness. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to eat, y'all. So with mine, I had some cabbage. And look at that pork, y'all. Let's get into this meal. So comment below what y'all think about this meal I just made. I like me some cabbage. And a pork roast is always welcome in my house. You know. I don't know about that pork loin. If I do a pork loin, I can do a roast, but I prefer it to sous vide it. But anyway, let's cut into this pork. And look at that job. Nice, tasty piece of pork right there. I really enjoyed this meal. I enjoyed this meal a lot, y'all. Wifey enjoyed it. And Queen sitting here staring at me, trying to get her some. But she ain't getting none of this. She be killing me. But anyway, y'all. You know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling. See ya.